Palpatine protection.
With a mixture of Popcaan versus Alkaline. The challenge round starts after this.
The challenge round begins in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
First and foremost, may I pick up the Almighty. He make me there so tonight. I bless up to all of the people over there. Whether you score for me, but me I got score for you. Big up to all of the people over there where listen to music. Out of Popcaan and Alkaline. I want to feel like baddest artist right now. Oh! I play a song, I want to listen, you know. Listen me! Press play! All who say something, that's up! That's up! That's up! That's up!
Yo, sir, if Babylon no worry me, they know them boy, yeah. One violator, no expect to face the fire. No, them no serious when it come down to the wire.
Love you see me believe in myself first. I love myself. Anytime sound for dead. Anywhere in the world, them there. Bullet.
Jamie, no man. Kill season a boy.
Run the bad people, them there. Run the gun on them there. Rise up and blow. Banana people like one. Post me up on it.
One from the day when they born, and you only never go on.
Oi! Any man come boy and feel like send a sound and go get way. Them boy they am born one place, a town and country me come from. Chop it!
Gotcha. 11, what me they telling you? One set of lunatics, hell after hell, you know. I love no mother, them they can't go shelling you. Friend of they bet you that a quello no watch a heaven no. Ready no. Friend of they bet you that would a quello no.
When you know this, me can't tell you.
Watch out. We don't find the road. Never the
Love Shaka me name. Every day people see me upon the road. Me no know nothing about the hide this. Bring smash, big up on yourself. The wall of Pianon, the wall of compound, waterhouse. Guess what?
Me nah be bad up listen. Them know say me bad already. Them know me them mad already. Make them family them bad. Call me them know. Why try? When them man, me say
Hey, hold up. When I say kill, you say them. Kill.
Push. You're gonna be a good, huh? Push. Yeah, better conserve my career. My body. Yeah. That. Jordan. Your friend. Alright then. Streets don't know man legit in a war now.
Hold on there. Oi, people, all wild card coming a Guinness sound of greatness. All of a sudden, when Shaka win it, already, I feel left off a one sound and I start another life again. You don't know why me defend my title. Yo, anywhere away, me see I could even in a market away.
I need you. We send them on ya.
What is going on down there?
What? Like straight down. Remember you are the great. You are punk, I never flash. Where you know about booze, cause I ash. And man,
Level. Look how my team them boy. Level. Any man can't tell a boy to run away. That mean your mouth not smell good. Everybody tell them this.
Say them a bad man, I liar them. Man, you never fire them.
Voila!
I could have low hire them.
From Kingston, man, know.
Shaka, don't leave your Guinness here. Yeah. Don't leave it. Big up. In a real life, I agree. Road Calm, you ready? Press a sample up first.
You're the Road Calm, the champions.
Challenge round. Alkaline versus Popcaan starts after this.
The challenge round begins in 5, 4, 3, 2,
Check.
1.
People,
Don't make them come out here and chicken up. This is not a circus. A girl alone me no flick. A bad man thinks so all him come out here flick. But me tell them what them shock at this. Come out here, you think a circus this? I come to some picture, all I need church upon. Yeah, that, hold on. Bad people. They are sure the concept. What they're for dealing. So when I see come out there fix, me no gimmicks thing. I come my girl become kill. Tell them all that's it.
Look like the mafia, look like the mafia, look like the mafia, look like the mafia. Yeah, but I'm look like the mafia, them a shot. Them all a step of them a crush. I ain't know what's it. Cover the soul like a fuck. Listen to my daddy, man, and family. So them nothing for a cover. Get, comments with it. Making fun, smoke like a muffler. You wanna see it, then shut up.
Jacob, I don't feel like Guinness can't go in a $1,000,000. Oh no, man. I'm buying me a tell. Them to put panda. Because me I watch some of them. They are go so on this so. Not but tell Guinness them this. Not but tell Guinness them this.
What you be telling you are buying you, be my fearful, you can't buy it. And then anybody pull my drink, and anybody buy my dinner. So why did you say me that?
Put us up here.
In all that is love, me family, but me not just you all again. All again, my son. But a son is still big up and rule the cause of a son in him. All of me long time, we don't teach feel. Long time,
Road boy. All of it come war in a theater. You just shot Timberland in the So if you want bad man in a theater, let the boy mama tell you this.
Anything them try, but we never win. I want to say no. Man so far with a real head, but I wanna take this. We send you away for something, but me not tell you. But I wanna tell you, rookie, I'm making mistake. You never know for you, but we explain. We never say we young, touch you, we not say you can't do that. You not want your head up to go, she look like. What? You finna pass it with me.
Big up Brooklyn Nights. Big up Spanish Town Road. Big up Spanish Town. Big up Savior. Big up Bounty Killer. Big up all our Mendoza. You know I sell out the pregnant. Let's get them again.
family. If I want to be a friend, you know me, family. Family. Me love me from all them to me heart. Only the earth one of them.
My dad's so hard. Only for respect to Guinness. But some more if you know me a fighter. Jumper, level. Me and you just a cell star. I'm a brother. But that myself go back to school. I'm a certified chef. Me's a certified coach. Me's a certified farmer. No boy can go on. Hold on, Jabbar. Me's a certified PCA with an archers. So let me stop the future.
Just a minute. So we all make a better. Them right we have like a letter, but we still a trend set up. If we ain't all the fight, I'll leave it all nice for me. That's what I want to learn.
Road Karma. High grade. Wonder Wagwan. Wagwan. Trouble letter. Judges. Let's go straight to the judges right now. Bishop Escobar. Live in living color. What do you think about the road here? Where is Road Karma? High grade. Forward for the stage. Oh God, we're not even done scoring yet. But hold on, I'm gonna finish up. Scoring. All right, calm down. Shh. Calm down. Calm down, no better. Shh. Never ask the crowd for help more than one. Right? Because I never done score yet. But I have my score still. If you see a winner, after 3 we are going to chant. 1, 2, 3. Don't stop. Not nice. Stay with that clear, yeah. Escobar, you got Elena, brother. No, alright, calm down. Shh. Calm down. You know the truth and fairness. I grade did well. Road Karma get more forward, which is their performance. The musical selection was on point, and the stage performance did good. See? Road Karma did the same, but with a crowd advantage, Road Karma. Okay. Not nice. Yo. People. Yo, no need for understanding now. Everybody now going in now. Say for the sound now in this boom boom business now go work. A big song talk, boom no talk, yeah? Yeah, so I agree. Yeah, mix up Shaka, your stage performance always on point, you see me? When I have flick and I go on, yeah, the people them like it, so the stage performance, good, song selection was good, but Road Karma, I think Road Karma get the bigger forward than over, I agree. You see me, honestly. I just stop me look, now look for who bring friend, and who bring crowd, and who for forward there, over this alone. You have to watch over this, round this, shoot this, and round this. So, Road Karma. Cut it.
Yo, boy, I'm not lying, that one is hard for judge. It's really hard for judge. And for tell you the truth, me have my own time. But I want it hard for judge for me.
Sparky.
All right. This was a very difficult round. I actually have them tied, but I felt like the musical selection was stronger for high grade. The crowd will admit, hold on. There was a song that Road Karma played. And when I hear that song, there's so much time tonight that when I hear it, this was basically owning the crowd. Right? But Road Karma had better crowd engagement and better stage presence. They are tied. I have them tied because I'm scored different on different factors and my judging. So right now, I have them tied.
All right, so you heard from the judges, but we're still waiting on the point standing from which we will know who will make it through. Of course, in the first round, in the juggling round, Road Karma scored 82 and High Grade scored 100 and, was it 7? Yeah. So, when we get the point standing, we'll put them together. The same thing will happen with Group A. So Group B, Group A, you just saw them in the challenge round. We're going to tally the scores and we'll be back with who will be making it through to the dub for dub round. Drop something.
Boom! Popcaan production. Big up to all of my viewers all over the world. You don't know. Big up to all who lock into Popcaan TV over the years. You don't know. Link with and you get your music video shoot, direct and edit your wedding, your funeral, party, stage show, photo shoot, you name it. So just check the information on the screen and lock in to Popcaan TV production. Big up on yourself.
Popcaan TV!
Popcaan Room. Popcaan production. Popcaan production. Popcaan TV. For Popcaan.
It's a Popcaan, you know it's that time.
Popcaan TV.
I'm governor representing of Popcaan, you know.
Popcaan, you know what the thing tough?
I win as a Popcaan, I'm more like more.
Can't mix up Popcaan thing with no coffee.
Yeah, man, a Popcaan, man, I represent for you. See, we're Popcaan.
Popcaan right now.
Oh, Popcaan, I want to them.
Popcaan TV. Popcaan. Down for Popcaan Productions.
Popcaan production, it does
Represent for Popcaan TV.
Popcaan TV.
Popcaan. Yeah, let them get the belt on time, you know.
It's all about Popcaan, keep it locked.
Come represent for Popcaan, be a badness.
Popcaan TV, our TV. It's Popcaan TV. Cross.
Popcaan protection.